So look at this. This is the Dog and Gun coffee ammo box. The story behind this is I love coffee. So I usually wait till about 1 a.m. in the morning when I'm mindlessly scrolling Facebook, when I come up across a ad for Dog and Gun. And yes, their marketing got me. It was coffee in an ammo container. Who could say no to that? The difference between Dog and Gun, if you're not aware about it, is they are satchels of coffee that hang over your cup. You can drip brew your coffee when you're out and about or hunting or camping, or if you're like me, just working from home. So this is really cool. It arrived today and I've already had 2 coffees and they are fantastic. Better than the instant coffee, which I usually drink, or walking down to the coffee shop, getting a coffee there. Let's get into it and see what it's all about. First of all, I'm not sponsored by them. I bought this, and just like a lot of stuff I buy online, I really want it, or I was interested in it and I want to test it. And I thought, why not kill 2 birds with 1 stone and make a video about it as well, just in case you're unsure of what it's like and you jump over to YouTube to do a search and you come across this video and you go, hey, that might be for me. All right, so let's get into it. And it came with this cool ammo box. If you're not into hunting or target shooting, or you don't have firearms, then this could be used for other things as well. It's pretty well made. As you can see, it's on the side there. You've got also a little lock there as well, so you can secure your ammunition, which you need to do by law. But if you don't use it for that and you want to put secret stuff in there, you can do that as well. Or you might just want to keep all your coffee in there and go camping. I think on the ad on Facebook, the guy throws it in the back of his boat or the back of his 4-wheel drive. So we open it. Okay, here we go. This is what we've got in here. First of all, we've got a cool little sticker. We have a handwritten note. Thank you very much. These handwritten notes, they're really a nice touch. This looks like another sticker. Okay. With this pack, I got a free cup as well. This is a cool retro enamel cup that we can have our coffee in. Good thing about these, I've taken these camping. You can throw them around, do a lot of things. They get beat up and have a patina that makes them look even cooler as well. So that's cool. Only problem with these types of cups I've noticed is if you like your coffee or your tea or whatever it is really hot, you can sometimes burn your lips on them. That's the only problem with these ones here. Okay, here we are. Let's go through them. This one here is the Sambar. And let's read this. This one here is the dark roasted 100% Arabic coffee. Our heavy hitting dark roast is full bodied with bold earthy flavours. The Red Stag, this is one I just had earlier today. This one was great. This one here is medium roasted 100% Arabic coffee. And this one here, love naming conventions. This one is Full Send, is medium roasted 100% Arabic coffee, a rich and super smooth brew with bold notes and milk, chocolate, hazelnut and caramel. How good's that sound? This blend is comparable to a barista-made coffee you'd find in a upper-class coffee shop. It's got an extra bit of bite to it. It doesn't taste like it's a 7-Eleven coffee or a Macca's coffee. It's a lot creamier and smoother. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed. It was a fun buy, and obviously this is marketed to more campers, four-wheel drivers, hunting. But this really hits the spot. If this is something you're interested in, or a friend, or a loved one, or somebody you need to get a present for, this is a perfect opportunity to get something that I think they would love.